Hey everyone, welcome back to our fitness channel. And in today's video, we have an exciting topic for you. We'll be diving into the wonderful world of push-up workouts. If you want to build upper body strength and sculpt those chest, shoulder, and arm muscles, you've come to the right place. So let's jump right into it. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise because they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. They primarily target the chest, triceps, shoulders, and core. But before we start with the variations, let's make sure we have the right form. Proper form is essential to maximize the benefits of push-ups and prevent injuries. Begin by positioning yourself face down on the floor with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your feet together and extend your legs straight out behind you. Your body should be in a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes. Now lower your body down by bending your elbows, keeping them tucked close to your sides. Lower until your chest is just above the ground, or as low as you can comfortably go. Remember to breathe throughout the movement. Push back up to the starting position, fully extending your arms. Great job! That's the basic push-up form. Now let's explore some challenging variations to spice up your push-up workout routine. Our first variation is wide push-ups. This variation targets the chest muscles more intensively. Start with the same basic form, but this time, place your hands wider than shoulder width apart. As you lower your body, your elbows will naturally flare out to the sides. Push back up, maintaining the wide hand position. The next variation we'll cover is diamond push-ups. This variation emphasizes the triceps muscles. Begin with the same starting position, but this time bring your hands close together, forming a diamond shape with your index fingers and thumbs. Lower your body, focusing on keeping your elbows close to your sides. Push back up to the starting position. For an added challenge, let's try to decline push-ups. This variation targets the upper chest and shoulders more intensely. Find an elevated surface, like a bench or step. Assume the push-up position with your feet on the elevated surface and your hands on the ground. Lower your body, maintaining a straight line from head to heels. Push back up, keeping control throughout the movement. Now let's kick it up a notch with plyometric push-ups, also known as explosive push-ups. These are fantastic for building explosive power and working on your fast-twitch muscle fibers. Start with the basic push-up position, but this time, when you push back up, explode off the ground, allowing your hands to leave the floor momentarily. Land softly and immediately go into the next repetition. There you have it, folks. A variety of push-up variations to take your workout to the next level. Remember, consistency is key. So aim to incorporate push-ups into your routine at least a few times a week. Start with the variations that suit your fitness level and gradually progress to more challenging ones. And don't forget to listen to your body and take breaks when needed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workout routines. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep pushing yourself and stay fit.